Hello guys, and in this video we take a look on how you be able to install and run HTML on your VS Code editor, okay, text editor. So in order to install and run HTML on your VS Code, you need to first install the VS Code. If you already done, it's you skip that part and move forward in this video. But if you have not already installed the VS Code, you have to just install the VS Code first. So in order to install, you have to just type the VS Code download in the search bar and press enter. And after that, here the first website will appear. You have to just click on this, okay? And the next, you see our official website of Visual Studio Code. In the now we are on the window, or we are using a window operating system, so you have to install, we are now installed for the window. And if you are using Mac, Linux, whatever you are, so you just go with that. So in order to install, we have to install this installer, user installer, so it is better and easier, okay? So just click on this 64 icon, okay? If your system supports 64-bit, just click on 64, and if your system is supporting 32-bit, just click on this 86. This is for 32 bits operating system. Just right now, just click on this 64, and after that your downloading will start automatically. Just wait for it, and just wait. And here you see our downloading will start automatically. Right now I'm pause it and cancel it because I had already done. So I will go to the directory and I'll show you how we install it. Okay. So go to the directory, and here our setup is of VS Code. So in order to install, just double click on it because I had already installed it. For you, I again installing it. So I here you have to just click on I accept agreement. Just wait for a second. I minimize it so you are clear. Now you have just click on this next button, and after that make sure you have checked all of that. Okay, you have checked all of that because it will help a lot when you write a code. uh, okay, for right now I not explain how why and what the reason. So you have to just click on all of that, checked all of that. Okay, and then click next button, and after the last step just click on this install. It will take just a few seconds, and it will your VS Code will install. And after that, once our VS Code is installed, we see how you be able to run HTML on our PC or laptop in this VS Code. So just wait for it. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Just click on this finish, and after that just double click on this VS Code, and here you see our VS Code is open. So in order to run HTML on your uh, VS Code, and here you see a tab of extension. Okay, this is the tab of extension. So you have to just click on it, and after that here you just type HTML. Okay, just type HTML. Just wait for it because it is taking a little bit time. And now you see you have to just install this extension. Okay, HTML CSS support. Just click on it, and now you will be able to install it. Just install for it, and it will take a few seconds. And now our extension is installed. Now just click on this explore or folder icon. Okay, here you see this one. Okay, just click on it. I open fold and just click on it. After that, you open the folder where you want to save it. Just open a folder. I want to save it on the desktop. Okay, select it, and now our desktop is selected. And here is the file where you want to create. I Yes, you have to just click on yes, I trust author. And now if you want to first create your file, you have to just click on this. Okay, this is this one, this icon. Okay, to create HTML file, just click on it. Here you asking for the name. like first index, so index.html. Okay, now you see our index HTML file is created, and after that I just press enter, and now our boilerplate is also created. Okay, we also create our boilerplate, and here you type your HTML. Okay, and like say subscribe to the installed explain. Okay, so this is on your browser and according to your own need. So hope so this video will help you a lot, and if you think the video is helpful, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. We will meet in the next video.